Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Memoji on iPhone. So first, make sure that you have a compatible iPhone or iPad. Then you can just tap there, and then you can just start facing your phone, your face to the camera, and then just slide up to pick different characters, and you can zoom in your face, and then you could also smile, so you could just try out different facial expressions, and then you can tap on the record button to start and stop recording. So for example, I'm recording, and then tap the blue button to send it, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.